ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಯಶಸ್ವಿ ಕನ್ನಡ ವಾಣಿ ಯೂಟ್ಯೂಬ್ ಚಾನಲ್ಗೆ ಸ್ವಾಗತ. ವೆಲ್ಕಮ್ ಎವ್ರಿವನ್ ಟು ಯಶಸ್ವಿ ಕನ್ನಡ ವಾಣಿ ಯೂಟ್ಯೂಬ್ ಚಾನಲ್. ಅಂಡ್ ಇವತ್ತು ಯಾವ್ದು ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ದೀವಿ, ಟುಡೇ ವಿ ಆರ್ ಗೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಟು ಡು ದ ಎಕ್ಸಸೈಸ್ ಫಾರ್ ದ ಬಾವಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಬಿದ್ದ ಚಂದ್ರ ಫ್ರಮ್ 4th ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡರ್ಡ್ ಸವಿ ಕನ್ನಡ ಟೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಬುಕ್. 4ನೇ ತರಗತಿಯ ಸವಿ ಕನ್ನಡ ಟೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಬುಕ್ಕಿನ ಬಾವಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಬಿದ್ದ ಚಂದ್ರ. ಫಾರ್ ದಿಸ್ poem we are going to do the exercise, and if you have not yet watched the poem for this one, I will leave the link here for the video. Please do watch the poem first, then come to the exercise part. And also all the lesson poem of 4th standard Savi Kannada is completed, and it is being uploaded and updated in the 4th standard Savi Kannada playlist. The playlist will be having all the lessons and the poems and the exercises. The link is given here. Also you can find it in the description box. Please do check out for all the lesson and the poem. Let's start with the today's exercise. Before starting, textbook tagoli, pencil tagoli, eraser tagoli. Sit in a quiet place. We'll start with the exercise for Baaviyalli Bidda Chandra. So we'll start, and to start with, we have a padagala artha. So padagala artha, I've already given the meaning while doing the poem. So I'll skip this padagala artha. If you still have a doubt, do let me know in the comment section. Next one is Abhyasa. ಒಂದೊಂದು ವಾಕ್ಯದಲ್ಲಿ ಉತ್ತರ ಬರೆಯಿರಿ. Answer in one sentence. ಗೋಪಿ ಪುಟ್ಟು ಬಾವಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ನೋಡಿದರು? ಗೋಪಿ ಅಂಡ್ ಪುಟ್ಟು ಬಾವಿಯಲ್ಲಿ, ಇನ್ ದ ವೆಲ್, ಬಾವಿ ಇಸ್ ಅ ವೆಲ್, ಏನು ನೋಡಿದರು? ವಾಟ್ ಡಿಡ್ ದೇ ಸಿ? In the place of ಏನು, write the answer. And makla, you all know that I won't give the answer, I will say the meaning of the question. You have to find the answers. Okay, next one. ಕೊಕ್ಕೆಯನ್ನು ಏಕೆ ತಂದರು? Why did they got the ಕೊಕ್ಕೆ? The hook na, why did they bring it? ಪುಟ್ಟು ಏಕೆ ಬಿದ್ದನು? Why did the ಪುಟ್ಟು fell? ಚಂದ್ರನು ಎಲ್ಲಿದ್ದನು? ವೇರ್ ವಾಸ್ ಚಂದ್ರ? ತಾಯಿಗೆ ಪುಟ್ಟು ಏಕೆ ಅಂಜಿದನು? ವೈ ದ ಪುಟ್ಟು ಗಾಟ್ ಸ್ಕೇರ್ಡ್ ಆಫ್ ಅಮ್ಮ? ಅಂಜು ಇಸ್ ಅ ಸ್ಕೇರ್ಡ್. ತಾಯಿಗೆ ಫಾರ್ ಅಮ್ಮ. ವೈ ವಾಸ್ ಸ್ಕೇರ್ಡ್? 2-3 ವಾಕ್ಯದಲ್ಲಿ ಉತ್ತರ ಬರೆಯಿರಿ. ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಇನ್ 2 to 3 ಸೆಂಟೆನ್ಸ್. ಬಾವಿಯಲ್ಲಿ, ಇನ್ ದ ವೆಲ್, ಚಂದ್ರನ ಬಿಂಬ ನೋಡಿದಾಗ, ವೆನ್ ದೇ ಸಾ ದ ಇಮೇಜ್ ಆಫ್ ಅ ಚಂದ್ರ ಇನ್ ದ ವೆಲ್. ಪುಟ್ಟು ಏನು ಮಾಡಿದನು? ವಾಟ್ ಡಿಡ್ ದ ಪುಟ್ಟು ಡೂ ವೆನ್ he saw the image of Chandra in the well? Find the answer, write down the answer. ಬಾವಿಗೆ ಕೊಕ್ಕೆ ಇಳಿಸಿ ಎಳೆದಾಗ ಏನಾಯಿತು? ಬಾವಿಗೆ ಕೊಕ್ಕೆ ಇಳಿಸಿ, when they put the hook and when they put it in, ಏನಾಯಿತು? when they ಏನಂತಾರೆ, pulled it back, ಏನಾಯಿತು? what happened? okay, next. ವಾಕ್ಯಗಳನ್ನು ಸರಿಪಡಿಸಿ ಬರೆಯಿರಿ. ವಾಕ್ಯಗಳನ್ನು ಸರಿಪಡಿಸಿ ಅಂದರೆ you have to write, you have to correct the sentences and you have to write. There is some mistakes, you have to find out and write it. ಪುಟ್ಟುವು ಎಳೆತದ ಬಿದ್ದ ರಭಸಕ್ಕೆ. It's been jumbled. You have to make it right. Okay, so this is very easy if you have seen the poem, if you have understood the poem, read the poem and this will become very easy. Okay, now read the lines, go back to the poem, find the word. Find the word in the poem, then it is easy for you. Okay, I'll leave this one for you. You can do it very easily. Next, ಈ ಪದ್ಯವನ್ನು ಪೂರ್ಣಗೊಳಿಸಿ ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ. So complete this poem part. You can do it this one. I'll leave this one for you. ಈ ಪದ್ಯದಲ್ಲಿ ಬರುವ 3 ಅಕ್ಷರದ ಪದಗಳನ್ನು ಹುಡುಕಿ ಬರೆಯಿರಿ. ಇನ್ ದಿಸ್ ಪೋಯಮ್, ಈ ಪದ್ಯದಲ್ಲಿ, ಇನ್ ದಿಸ್ ಪೋಯಮ್ ಬರುವ, ದ ಒನ್ ವಿಚ್ ಕಮ್ಸ್ ಇನ್ ದಿಸ್ ಪೋಯಮ್, 3 ಅಕ್ಷರ. 3 is a 3. ಅಕ್ಷರ is a letter. ಪದ is a word. So there are 3 letter words in this poem. Find out those 3 letter words and write it down here. So there are many 3 letter words in the poem. Find the 3 letter word and write it down in the given places. Okay na? Next, ಚ ಅಕ್ಷರದಿಂದ ಪ್ರಾರಂಭವಾಗುವ ಪದಗಳನ್ನು ಬರೆಯಿರಿ. ಸೊ there is some, they have given like a puzzle. So all these words that starts with the letter cha. Starts with the letter cha. ಚ ಅಕ್ಷರದಿಂದ, from the cha letter, ಪ್ರಾರಂಭವಾಗುವ, the one which begins, ಪದಗಳನ್ನು ಬರೆಯಿರಿ. Write down the words. Okay, first one, ಬಟ್ಟೆ ನೇಯ್ಗೆ ಮಾಡಲು ಬಳಸುವ ಸಾಧನ. ಬಟ್ಟೆ ನೇಯ್ಗೆ ಅಂದರೆ to prepare the cloth. This is being used. So this will be in the hand of a Gandhi, Charaka. Okay, they have already given the answer. ಸುರುಳಿ ಆಕಾರದಲ್ಲಿರುವ ಎಣ್ಣೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಕರೆದ ತಿಂಡಿ. ಸುರುಳಿ ಅಂದರೆ ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಇನ್ ಅ ರೌಂಡ್ ಶೇಪ್. ಓಕೆ, ರೌಂಡ್ ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಲೈಕ್ ದಿಸ್ ಕಾಯಿಲ್. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ದಿಸ್ ತಿಂಡಿ ಹ್ಯಾಸ್ ಅ ನೇಮ್. ದಿಸ್ ಒನ್ ವಿ ಕಾಲ್ ಆಸ್ ಅ ಚಕ್ಕುಲಿ in Kannada. Murukku in Tamil. I don't know in other language, I'm really sorry. Comment what do you say for this one in your native language. It can be any language. In Kannadadalli we say chakkuli. Okay, next one. ಅನ್ನ ತಿನ್ನಲು ನೀನಿದನ್ನು ಬಳಸುತ್ತೀಯಾ? ಅನ್ನ ತಿನ್ನಲು, to eat food, we use this one. What do we say for spoon in Kannada? Yes, find out this one. This one I'm not giving the answer. Find out what do we say for spoon in Kannada and that is the answer. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಒನ್, 4 ಸೈನ್ಯ ಬಲದೊಂದಿಗೆ ಆಡುವ ಒಳಾಂಗಣ ಆಟ. 4 ಸೈನ್ಯ ಬಲದೊಂದಿಗೆ. ಓಕೆ, there is a 4 kind of a army and 4 kind of armies. ಒಳಾಂಗಣ ಆಟ, indoor game. So indoor game which uses the army, soldier, queen, king. Yes, chess game. So chess we call as a chaduranga in Kannada. Chaduranga. Fine, and you have got the answer, write it down. ಗಾಂಧೀಜಿಯವರು ಸ್ವಾತಂತ್ರ್ಯಕ್ಕಾಗಿ ಮಾಡಿದ ಮುಷ್ಕರ. ಸೊ ಗಾಂಧೀಜಿ ಸ್ವಾತಂತ್ರ್ಯಕ್ಕಾಗಿ ಫಾರ್ ದ ಫ್ರೀಡಮ್ ಮಾಡಿದ ಮುಷ್ಕರ. He did this. So the revolution is called as a ಚಳುವಳಿ. ಚಳುವಳಿ. Lu and li has to touch upper palate of the mouth. So find the right letter and write it down. Okay. Only the second one you have to find out. Next one. ಮಾದರಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಸೂಚಿಸುವಂತೆ as it is being directed in the example, ಸೂಕ್ತ ಪದ ರಚಿಸಿ. ಬರೆದು ಸ್ಪಷ್ಟವಾಗಿ ಓದಿ. Just you have to write it down as it is. Sorry for the cracker sound. It's a Deepavali time. ಮರ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಗಳು, ಮರಗಳು. It's ಏಕವಚನ is a ಮರ, ಬಹುವಚನ is a ಮರಗಳು. ಏಕವಚನ is a singular, ಬಹುವಚನ you will add ಗಳು. Okay na? And it can be added only to the animal, birds and the things, not for the people. Okay. Next, mane. Write the answer. I will give the meaning. Mane is a house, chitra is a picture, hakki is a bird, pustaka is a book, nadi is a river. Plural form of all those things. Next, ಈ ಪದ್ಯದಲ್ಲಿ ಬರುವ ಒತ್ತಕ್ಷರ ಪದಗಳನ್ನು ಪಟ್ಟಿ ಮಾಡಿ. ಒತ್ತಕ್ಷರ ಅಂದ್ರೆ you already know it's a double consonant, baby letter, wherever you have a baby letters ಅಲ್ಲ. So find out these kind of a word. One example I will give is chandra. For a da you have a ra baby. Okay. So find out these kind of a words and write it down here. Okay. For ಒತ್ತಕ್ಷರ to understand easily I will say it as a baby letter. ಅಷ್ಟೇ. Next. ಅ ಮತ್ತು ಆ ಪಟ್ಟಿಯಲ್ಲಿರುವ ಅ ಪಟ್ಟಿ is a column and a column ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಶಬ್ದಗಳನ್ನು ಜೋಡಿಸಿ ಅಂದರೆ ಮ್ಯಾಚ್ ಇಟ್. ಶಬ್ದ ಇಸ್ ಅ ಸೌಂಡ್. ಕವಿತೆಯ ಸಾಲುಗಳನ್ನು ಪೂರ್ಣಗೊಳಿಸಿ. ಸೊ ಕವಿತೆಯ ಸಾಲು ಇಸ್ the lines in the poem you have to finish it. So it's very easy. Read the poem, find the answer, that's it. Okay. So here we complete the Baaviyalli Bidda Chandra exercise. If you have any doubt, do let me know in the comment section or write a mail to yashaswi@gmail.com. Share this video with your friends who are struggling to understand the exercise of a Baaviyalli Bidda Chandra. And do check out the playlist for all the lesson poems which is already been done. And the link for the playlist is given in the description box. If you don't get it, then comment me. I can provide you the link. Thank you so much. See you all with one more video. Namaskara. Dhanyavada. From Yashaswi Kannada Vaani, there are many e-books that is being launched, even for children as well as adults. So for adults, the Spoken Kannada ebook part 1 is being launched, and the link for this is mentioned in the description box. Please go check it out the description box and purchase the book. The one specialty thing of this book is in a colloquial version, and this is the one and only book and the first book which is available in the market which is in a colloquial version, just not in a written version. Make use of this book. Along with, also follow my Instagram page to get the Spoken Kannada lessons for the adults. I hope this will be very useful for you, and the book is in a very affordable price. And for children, there are storybook level 1, level 2, vocabulary book, and the tense book is been there. Please make use of these ebooks. Again, link for all these books is been mentioned in the description box. Please go check out the description box and make use of these books. These books will help your children to make the sentence structures in a proper way, improves their language fluency, improves their vocabulary in a language, and actually it will bring too much of interest to them in Kannada learning. So make use of these books for your children. And there are workshops which is available in the YouTube itself in a playlist named Workshop 1 and Workshop 2. If your child is really struggling with the basics like a Varnamale, Kagunita, Vattakshura, Arkavali, words, make use of these workshop. Link for these workshop is mentioned in the description box. Please make sure you will go to the description box and use all these links. Workshop is a free of cost. It is available in the YouTube itself, and all the ebooks it will be, you have to pay and use those books. There is a sample copy for everything. You can just look into the sample copy and you can purchase. Like maadi, share maadi, subscribe maadi. So knowledge will gain only by sharing the knowledge. So children, if you have learned something, teach to your friends also, and this will help you in your gaining the knowledge. So thank you so much, and if you are not subscribed to the channel, subscribe ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. Click on the notification So that click on the bell link so that you will get notified as and when I upload the videos. Thank you so much. I'll meet you all ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಧನ್ಯವಾದ.